Look around your life for a moment. Music? Subscription. Movies? Subscription. Cloud storage? Subscription. Software? Subscription. Even cars, food boxes, and clothes are now subscription-based. It feels normal. But 20 years ago, this was not normal at all. So what changed? Why does everything now want a monthly payment? The answer starts with predictability. Businesses prefer predictable income. If a company sells you something once, they must constantly find new customers. But if they charge you every month, they don't just sell a product. They create ongoing revenue. This makes financial planning easier. Investors like predictable income. Stable monthly payments reduce uncertainty. But that's only one side of the story. There's also psychology involved. Small monthly prices feel cheaper than one large payment. $10 per month feels lighter than $120 upfront. Even if the total cost is the same, or sometimes higher. This is called price framing. Your brain compares the smaller number first. And smaller numbers feel safer. Another reason subscriptions grow so fast is convenience. Automatic payments remove friction. You don't have to decide every time. The decision was already made once. And humans like removing repeated decisions. But here's the quiet shift. Ownership is slowly being replaced by access. You don't own the music. You access it. You don't own the software. You rent it. You don't always own movies anymore. You stream them. This changes the relationship between people and products. Access feels flexible. But it also means payments never fully stop. There's also something called switching cost. Once you're inside a system, your playlist saved, your files stored, your habits formed, leaving becomes inconvenient. Even if the price increases. So companies don't just sell services. They build ecosystems. And ecosystems are harder to exit. Now, to be fair, subscriptions can be useful. They lower entry barriers. They allow updates and improvements. They provide flexibility. But the real question is awareness. How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? How many do you truly use? Monthly payments feel small. But combined, they can quietly grow large. The shift to subscription models isn't random. It reflects a broader change in how modern business works. Stability for companies. Convenience for users. Long-term engagement for both. The important thing isn't fear. It's understanding. Because once you see the system clearly, you can choose how to participate in it.